Welcome back to the apartment maintenance channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Dewalt Pole saw, and it's model number DCPS620B, and it's battery operated, 20 volt, and it has an 8-inch bar and chain. Got it at Home Depot's, tool only, was 150 bucks. I know it's been out for about 9 months or so, maybe a little longer, close to a year, but just purchased it, and we'll get it open, we'll check it out, and we'll go outside and we'll hit a couple branches with it and see how it does. Alright, so this end here, you got your chain and your bar, which is an 8-inch, and this little hook here, it's a little grabber, that way you can grab a branch and pull it off. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill it up with some bar and chain oil, and it's a self-oiling as well, so once you fill it up, it is slowly added as needed. A little bit too full, but be all right. And you also get a little Allen key with the flathead. That way you can adjust right here with the flathead. And then on this side you got your 2 Allen heads here where you can pull the bar out or tighten the chain up if need be. And then you got your middle section. In order to put these on, just want to line up the arrows. Got an arrow right here, and then the arrow there. Go ahead and put them together. And tighten it up. Now you don't have to use this section here if you don't want, if you just want to use the handle and the top piece, but we're going to put it all together, and it should get about 15 feet max reach with about a 5'8" or 5'10" person. Okay, now on the handle, takes a 20 volt max battery. This is your little safety. Make sure you flip that up. You gotta hold that in anytime you hit the trigger. And we're gonna use a 4 amp hour battery. Ready to go, fully charged. So now we'll take it outside and cut a branch. We're gonna cut down this little dead tree here. I'm going to start with the big one first. Probably should have left the extension off to do this, but you want to get it running before you hit it with the branch as well. Timber! Alright, now we'll come over here and we'll hit this one. Just want to make sure you get it going before you touch the chain with the wood. Now you can use your little hook, pull it off, like that. That's what that little hook's on there for. Now, cut this one down. Alright, that's the Dewalt brushless XR pool saw with an 8-inch bar and chain, max reach of 15 feet, and $150 tool only. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.